Hello guys, fix it. Discard not opening problem. First of all, go to task manager and clear the background running. Yes. Event task. In this video, we are going to see various methods to solve this. So after clearing, go to run, click it, and in this we are going to clear the caches. So app data. So delete the discard folder. So no need to worry, it's not happen any issues, so you can delete. This is a catch folders, so it will not impact anything, so you can delete the catch folders. Yes, delete it, and after that go to right click and go to properties and go to compatibility. In this you need to disable. If you have enable means you need to disable this one. Then after the next method is go to settings and you need to check any update is available or not. So go to Windows Update and check for update. So if it have any update, you need to update the system, and after that you can open the scan. So the next step is go to command prompt and click run as administrator and sfc/scannow. It will scan the entire system, and if there is any abnormal files, it will delete it as it's completed. It may take some time, so be patient and exit, and after that you can click discard and run as administrator. As you can see, the discard is charting right now. That is